Login failed on Seeking Alpha fix. You launch the Seeking Alpha app to read expert insights or track your watch list and suddenly, login failed. It's frustrating, especially when markets are moving fast. But most of the time, the cause is simple and easy to fix. Start with your internet connection. Seeking Alpha needs a secure connection to authenticate your account. Try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data or vice versa. Public Wi-Fi networks sometimes block logins for security reasons. Next, make sure your app is up to date. Outdated versions can break login compatibility when the company updates its systems. Head to your App Store or Google Play, search Seeking Alpha, and hit Update if available. If you're using autofill to sign in, delete and retype your login details manually. Tiny errors or extra spaces can trigger the login failed message. If you still can't log in, clear your cache or reinstall the app. On Android, go to Settings App Seeking Alpha Storage Clear Cache. On iPhone, uninstall and reinstall the app. This resets your app data and eliminates temporary bugs. Also, confirm that you're using the correct login method. If you signed up with Google, Apple or Facebook, make sure you're selecting that same option at login. Using a different method can cause login failure even if your email looks correct. Still not working? Seeking Alpha servers might be undergoing maintenance. Wait a few minutes and try again later. If all else fails, use the Forgot Password link to reset your credentials. You'll receive an email to create a new password and regain access. So next time your Seeking Alpha app says login failed, stay calm. Check your connection, update your app, clear the cache, and verify your login method. Within minutes, you'll be back reading stock analysis, expert opinions, and market forecasts without missing a beat.